Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your YouTube channel username in 2021. So if this video does help you guys out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly banger videos that I do on this channel. And if you guys want to support me, you can go follow my socials. Link is in the description. Streamlinks/Gaming. I'm gonna start posting more on my TikTok, so if you want to see more funny videos of me, like shorts, you can go follow that. And on my Instagram, I'm going to start posting more lifestyle stuff. And Twitter, I just do normal tweets and stuff. I'll give shout outs now and then. But yeah, guys, with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so first of all, you'd want to go to YouTube Studio. Okay, guys, so once you're in your YouTube Studio, you'd want to scroll down and you'd want to go to customization. Okay, guys, so once you're here in customization, go towards basic info and then you'll see your channel name and description. So you can click this edit channel name and you can turn it to whatever you guys want it. So let's see. Okay, guys, so I thought of a name. I'm just gonna change it to my username. So there, Death Knight _ZA, or I'll just say Death Knight ZA. I think that's better, right? Death Knight ZA. Or underscore. How about that? Or like that, maybe. Death Knight ZA. Yeah, like that. So once you are comfortable with your name, you can hit over here to publish. And then it'll just take a few seconds. Okay, so yeah, you can go to your channel once your name is changed, and once you change your name, you can like change your channel art or even your logo if you want to. So as you guys can see here, my name is changed. I need to remove all of this content what is on this channel. Need to make it private. This is actually my old clan's channel, guys. This is where we started, you know, my old clan's channel. But yeah, that's how you change your username on YouTube in 2021. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe if this did help you out. So don't miss out on weekly banger videos that I do on the channel. And by that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.